Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Ma'am, you muted, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good morning.
morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning. Good morning, ma'am. Morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, everyone sit straight. Sit straight. Yes, good morning to everyone, children. First, let's do meditation. Sumant, what you're doing there? Sit properly. Slowly close your eyes. Slowly breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly open your eyes. Amogna, Mahendra, on your video. Krutya. Pratik Raj. Varun, on your video. Yes, dear children, today instead of grammar class, I will teach you English too. Okay. First, I will tell you one small story. Do you all like story, right? Do you all like story? Those who like story, show the thumb. Oh, everyone like Sumat. You don't like stories. Everyone are showing thumbs up. Joshna, you must eat after the class. On your video. You have to mention your name while joining the class. Okay, understood, Joshna? Instead of your name, it is showing Vivo V21. Okay, while marking attendance, your name may be missing. Okay. Do you all like animals? Do you all like animals, children? How many of you having pet animals at your home? Raise your hand. Let me see. Aarti. Then who are all having pet animals? It may be cow, dog, cat. Joshna, you also having? You all have put. Hello? By which name you all calling Your pet names. Aarti, unmute from your side and tell me what is a pet name of your animal. What pet animal you have? Cat. What is the pet name of your cat?
I will call Kitty.
Oh, so sweet. Joshna, even you also having? If you having, show me thumbs up. I will unmute. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Bruno, ma'am, dog.
Yes, Joshna.
Bruno.
Suman, good. Suman, you also unmute from your side and tell me which pet animal you have. Huh?
Dog.
What is the pet name?
Rocky.
Rocky.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, Misha, unmute.
Ma'am, I have a dog, ma'am.
What name you call it?
Tommy.
Tommy. Oh, so good. Next, those who are having Varun. Pratik Raj, what you doing there? If you're doing any nonsense thing in the class means I will remove out from the class. Okay? Understood? Keep it in mind. This is the last chance I am giving you. Cherish, on your video. Do you all know horse, children? Have you all seen the horse? Have you all seen horse? Yes, we might see. We might see in the zoo or forest, right? See, in this story, there is a horse. Okay, I will tell you one horse story. One horse having one baby horse. Its name is Darky. Okay, its name is Darky. I will show you in the picture. Wait, children, something has come in. Can you all see the picture now on your screen? Can you all see? Yes. How many horses are there? Show in your fingers. 2 horses. Yes. One, there is a mother horse and the other is baby horse, right? There is a baby horse. We call that as a colt. Okay. The baby horses can be called as colts. Okay. How does it looks? It is too dark light. It is too dark. That is in black in color. Right, children? The mother horse, in which color it is? It is brown in color. Right? So, this baby horse name is Darky. Okay? The baby horse name is Darky. We call the baby horses, that is male baby horses, can be called as colts. Okay, colts. What is the name of the baby horse? Name of the baby horse is Darky. Okay, it is good. This name is good. Yes, it is good. Okay, this baby horse is telling story. Okay, baby horse is telling that when it was in previous days, it was standing near this pond. What and all the things we can see in this picture, children? What are things are there? There is a pond, right? There is pond and water lilies are there. Next, big tree, right? Under the big tree, we can see the shades, right? So we can call these trees as a shady trees. Okay. There are shady trees. Under that, there are meadows. Meadows means the area which has been filled with grass. Okay. We can see the field which has been filled with grass, right? Outside the pond or hedge of the pond, we can see the meadow. How does this scenery looks, children? How does this scenery looks? It was so pleasant, right? Pleasant means which looks attractive. Okay. Is this attractive? Yes, this is very attractive. See, the master will be there, right, to look after all the horses, right, children? One master will be there to look after the horses. Okay. So that master, what he do is, he make this baby horse Dorky and her mother to stand near this tree. Okay. Whenever they need to drink water, they used to come and drink in this pond. Okay. If they feel it is too warm means, then they go to their home, which can be called as lodging. Okay. Lodging means that is a living space. Okay. Here the master has provided a good lodging for the horses. See, near this pond, there are two places. See, one side we can see the area which has been ploughed. Ploughed means that is the area or field which is ready for planting. Okay. Here it is, see the area that is ready to do planting. Okay. Understood, children? See, one side there is a pond. Beside to that side, the area which has been ready to planting, which is called as ploughed area. Okay. The other side, there is a master's house. Okay. This is master's house. Okay, children. And when this Darky is young, she used to drink milk from her mother. Okay. Because she can't eat grass or any other hard foods. So as she is younger, she used to drink milk from her mother. In the daytime, they used to go to the field to play. Okay. In night times, she used to sleep beside to her mother. Why? Because she is still young. Even if you are in childhood days, you used to sleep with your mom, right? In the night time, daytime, what you will go into do? In daytime, we used to play. In the night time, we used to sleep with our mother. In the same way, the Darky also playing in the daytime with other horses. Okay. In the night time, she used to sleep with her mother. See in this picture, what we can see? In the daytime, the number of horses, they used to pluck some fruits or they used to pluck some leaves from the trees to eat. Right, children? If it is warm means they used to go and stand near that pond. Okay. They will eat the grass and they will drink water and they used to come back to their lodging place. As long as the Darky became older, she started eating grass. Okay. Whenever she became older, she used to eat grass. Right, children? See, now you are all in 3rd standard, right? Still, you used to drink the milk. With the milk, you used to eat some hard foods, right? Yes, in the similar way, the Darky as also becoming older and older means she started eating grass. Okay. As she became older, her mother went to the market. Okay. The master, what he is doing? He is taking the mother horse. Okay. Mother horse to the market for a work. Okay, children, getting? Yes, after that, When her darky mother went to the market, at that time, this darky used to stay with other horses. Count and show me in fields. Other than darky, how many horses are there? There are 6 horses, right? Yes, there are 6 horses. Darky started playing with these 6 horses. See, while we playing, we used to kick, right? Sometimes the dog or cat, they may bite us, right, children? In the similar way, the horses also, they used to gallop, they used to kick. See, the darky was running with the other horses and it is playing. Some other horses, they may kick from their backside legs. It can be called as trot. Okay, trot means the horses which may bite or which may kick. Okay, see, is it good, children? The horses kicking and biting? No, it is not good manner, right? The horses, we should behave in a polite and kind manner with the animals. Then animals also, they used to love us and they used to respect us. Okay, children? So, this darky is watching the other horses, how they are kicking and biting. See, can you see here? Darky also started playing with other horse by kicking her backside legs to the other horse. Means, what we understand from this picture, they are boxing, they are hitting. Other means, what our mom will tell? Our parents used to warn us, you should not do all those bad things because you are well born. We are in a good family. Even your father, grandfather, your mother, grandmother, they are all good in our family. So you should not behave like that. Is it or not, children? Our parents, mother or father, grannies, they used to tell us like they used to teach us a good manner, right? Means that teaches us not to behave in a good manner, right, children? In a similar way, here, mother is telling to the darky not to do all those nonsense things or the rubbish things like kicking from the back or biting some others. Okay, so she is teaching you should be polite, you should be kind to others. Then only the human beings, they used to love us and we respect human beings. Like the mother is teaching to the darky. Understood, children? So in the other side, what we can see? There is another horse, right, children? There is another horse, that is, he is a father of darky. Okay. See, they are the pet animals for the master. Master loved them so much. Darky is telling that she is feeling that master loves us very much. See, even you children also think and feel that, yes, this teacher loves me very much. I am the favorite for this teacher. Like that you will think, right? In the similar way, the horses, they also think we are the pet for the masters. Okay. Here, mother is telling that, look, darky, your father is a very good person. And your grandfather, he is also a good to other horse when comparing. And she won 2 big trophies in the horse ride. We all have been seen horse riding in the TV shows or movies, right, children? Horse riding. In horse riding, which horses they used to select? Which horses they will select? Which is too active or which ride very fast? For those also solely they used to select for riding, right? If it is slow, if it is not active, means they will not select that horses. right? So Darky mother is telling, look Darky, your grandfather, he is also a very good horse, and many people, they used to select your grandfather because he has won 2 trophies continuously in a market. Like that, mother is telling or teaching good manners to the Darky. Okay, see, this is her granny. Okay, and she is telling that they are the sweetest temper comparing to other horses. And Darky is telling, yes, mom, I knew that we are all the sweetest horse for the master. Okay, like that, those two are speaking. And mother is telling, I hope you will grow up gentle and good. Even after teaching good manners for you, what your parents will tell? Yes, dear child, I hope from next time onwards, you will not do all these bad things and you will be good and gentle for everyone. Like that, right? Yes, in the same manner, here mother, she is also telling to the Darky, I hope you will grow up gentle and good. Okay. Yes, we can see in this picture that master, he is giving some food to the horse. Okay, he used to bring some carrot for the horses to eat, and he used to get some bread for Darky. See, this is a lodging place of horses where the master has been maintaining. Okay. See here, he is getting something for the horses to eat. Guess what he is doing now? He is tapping the horse. He is something massaging or something feeling like touch. Yes or no, children? If I came and if I used to tap on your head like this, what you going to feel? Oh, teacher is loving me very much. Like that you feel, right? If I scold you, miss, will you come near me? No, you will go far. If I love you or if I made you like this, miss, what you children will do? We used to come near the teachers, right? In the same manner, the master, what he is doing? He is speaking to the horse in a lovely manner. And he gave some carrot to her mother and some bread pieces to this Darky. Can you see, children? Yes, Darky is eating some bread and her mother, she is eating some carrots. See, as and when the master went to the market by the horse, there is another boy. His name is Dick. He is a fluffy boy. Fluffy boy means a boy which look after some animals. Okay. See the boy who look after the cow, we call them as cowboy. Like, right, children? Cow, they used to go to the field to eat some grasses, right? But there should be some boy to look after all those animals. Right, children? We call them as a fluff boy. Okay. Beside to the master's house, we had seen the fluffed field, correct? Yes, we had seen the fluffed. So from there, a fluff boy came into this lodging area. That is the place where the horses are living. Okay. In there, we can see some blackberries. Okay. If we saw some blackberries, means what we will do? We used to pluck them and eat, right? So in the same way, this fluff boy, he didn't take permission from the master. Okay. As in when the master went outside, he came, he jumped the gate or fence and entered into this field. He plucking the blackberries to eat. Okay, he is enjoying by eating those blackberries. See, after that what he is having some stone in the hand, right? By that stone, he started throwing on the horses. Is it good, children? Can we throw the stones on animals? No, because they feel pain, right, children? If anybody throws stones on you, miss, what will happen? Some blood will come, right? We feel some pain, right? Like the same way, even animals also feel, children. So what this boy is doing, after eating all the blackberries, he started playing with animals by throwing the stones on horses. But still horses they didn't harm this boy. Okay, horses didn't harm this boy, but instead of that, they used to run some other places. While he throwing the stone, master has been sawing. Master has been saw, right? We can see the master beside that fence. Yes, immediately put from the gate and came near to that bluffed boy. He is scolding that boy. Why you did doing all these rubbish things to the horses? See, this is the first warning. This is the second warning, and this will be the last warning to you. You should not do all these things. And he is warning to take out all your money and things, go out from this place. Like that, the master has been scolded him, and he warned finally, and he sent by telling that you are a bad boy. If you do these kinds of things, miss, will the parents or teachers will be quiet? No, they will scold. They will warn. And they used to teach us a good manners. Right, children? See, children, only the parents and teachers can scold you. Okay? Not the other peoples. Why? Because we need you to learn good manners and good behaviors. Okay? See, as and when, if you grown up, after you grown up, when you enter into the college days, if you do something nonsense or rubbish things, means the lecturers, what they will tell, is this the manners you learned in the school? Is this the manners the teacher has been teach you? Like that they will scold, right? Yes, we should not be ready to listen those words. Instead of that, the other people has to tell, you are a good boy. You are very pleasant. You are very kind. Like that, the other person should tell us, children. In that way, we should behave. And in that way, we should learn the good manners. We should be kind to everyone. We should not harm animals. If we love them, means they used to respect us. See, as and when this master used to give some carrots, some grass, and some bread. So the horses, they are loving master. As and when the master came, they used to show their two hands by showing their respect. See, as and when I enter to the class, you children are telling, good morning, ma'am, right? Why you people are telling like that? Because that is the respect you giving to me. Right, children? That is the respect, right? See, even pet animals which are there in your home, they also used to give respect. See, as and when, if you bring any biscuits to your dog, or if you bring some milk to your cat, miss, they used to came nearby you and they used to tell, like showing their legs like this, like, right? Yes, means that is, it is showing very love. It is showing their respects to their persons. Okay, even in this story, the horses also, it is showing their legs like this by giving respect to the master. Okay, so in this story now, master, he warned the boy, telling, you are a bad boy, you take out your money and the things get out of from this place. Like that he wanted, he sent that boy. See in this picture, we can see he is a very old master. Okay, he is a very old master. Where he is also looking after of all other horses. Okay, children. Now you take out your English textbook. English 2 textbook. Take it, children. I will give you 1 minute. Take out your English textbook. Did you took? Okay. Open page number 35. Open page number 35. Page number 35. Okay. That is chapter number 3, My Early Home. Chapter number 3, My Early Home. See, this is a story which has been adapted from Black Beauty. Okay. That is a book. Black Beauty is a book, children. Okay. From that book, author Anna Sewell, she adopted a story, My Early Home. Understood? Now I'll teach you some hard words. Okay. First one is box. Box means in this chapter hitting. The horses they used to box, means the horses they used to kick or they used to bite. Brook means that is a small stream. Means a small flow of water. Brook means a small flow of water. Third one, colt. Third one, colt. Spell with me, children. C-O-L-T. Colt. Colt means what? A young male horse. A young male horse. Yes, what is the name of colt in this story? Yes, very good. All are telling. Darky. Okay, next fourth one is gallop. Gallop. Spell with me. G-A-L-L-O-P. Page number 35. Page number 35. In that fourth one, gallop. Gallop means the fastest pace of a horse. Instead of that, I will tell you in a simple sentence, that is to go at the fastest speed. Horse, they used to go in a faster speed, right? That is called as gallop. Next is gig. Gig means two-wheeled carriage. Did you all know Yatim Gadi, Jatka Gadi? Have you all heard? Yes. How many wheels will be there? There will be 2 wheels, right? See, that we call as a carriage, two-wheeler carriage. Okay, in one word, we will tell it as gig. Okay, next is lodging. Lodging means that is the living space. Next, meadow. In the picture, we have seen a meadow. How it is? The area which has been covered with grass. Okay, a grass covered field. Next is plough. Plough also we have seen in the picture. Means the area which is already digged and ready for planting. Okay. Next is rushes. Rushes means there are some plants and bushes near the edge of the pond. That we call it as rushes. Okay. While reading the chapter, we can see all these words. Other than these, there are many difficult words are there, children. I will teach you at the last of the chapter also. Okay. Next is well-bred. Well-bred means being of good quality. Next is wind. Means that is the noise of a horse beak. Okay. Wind means that is also a past tense of winning. Understood? These are the few hard words with meanings. Okay. In today's class, I will send you some hard words with meanings. Okay. You have to write it in your 4-line book and send me a picture. I will read the textbook, children. Go through with it. Open page number 32. 4 minutes left. Okay. Open the page number 32. Kritya, you having doubt?
Ma'am,
Yes.
what is lodging, ma'am?
Lodging means that is the living space. Okay. Open page number 32. My early home. Emisha, you having doubt?
Ma'am, we should
Yes.
write in classwork, ma'am.
Yes, be fast.
We should write in classwork, ma'am.
Yes, you have to write in classwork.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Sumant is keeping to me direct message. I will lick, ma'am, it seems, ma'am.
Ketanji,
Ma'am? Ma'am. Ma'am?